In my time of cubing, I've collected a lot of crazy and weird puzzles. My favorite has probably had to be the banana cube.
Stuart? Banana. Banana!
Now, I actually unboxed this cube in my last video, and I had some pretty good feedback for it. And it spins pretty well. I got a pretty good time solving it. That 20 seconds for the banana. And I really enjoyed it. And so that's why today we have 2 more new cubes. A $5 3x3, that's probably really bad. Lemon cube. So I'm pretty excited to unbox these. I know it's a pretty small unboxing, but you can't expect me to be a millionaire, because I'm not. If you don't remember my last video, then this might be a good reminder.
Cheese.
Yeah, now that you've hopefully remembered that video and remembered the famous banana cube, develop intelligence. Great, the one thing I don't have. So I guess we should just open this thing up. Why is the white side already stickered? Oh jeez. Way too bad.
Brother,
Very slow. Oh jeez. Oh gosh. So I guess I'll do that. Oh, look at this stuff I was saying. It's quite cute. The ends are bad as well. Okay, the internals are like kind of a white pale color that you would normally see inside of an apple, but I mean, it turns alright for a lemon. So yeah, I'm not that disappointed. And this is actually just a 3x3. Same with the puzzle that there's 1, 2, 3 layers. So a teaspoon pretty much does nothing to this cube. Hello? Oh. It's just a spoon. Okay. This cube is $5 and it is probably worth 2. Why is the white side sticking? Why? Yellows, they're very reflective, which is good. And of course we have to do a and compared to the banana, I think the lemon. Guess this is goodbye. Thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.
oh.